Hi, I'm Jim. Have you noticed that we use video constantly these days? We use it on our mobile devices to watch TV and watch in movie theaters. That's because video is very powerful, engaging, and entertaining. But did you know that you can also earn from videos? Now there is a way that you can earn with video. In fact, there are 50 ways to earn with video in this report. I'll go over just a few, plus mention some free bonuses to sweeten the pot for you. For instance, there is information on how to make money in embarrassing niches that people don't want others to know about. Another idea tells how to earn with Yahoo Answers. There are so many ways that you probably never even thought of them. Now, let's talk about the bonuses you'll receive after purchasing the 50 Videos report. These bonuses are all related to the video field, so they will help to boost your income from day one. So, the first bonus you'll receive is Online Viral Marketing Secrets. This is an amazing course consisting of 10 instructional videos designed to give you a fresh insight into what makes videos go viral. Instructional videos are valued at around $100, but this is just one of your bonuses. The second bonus offered is called 30-second free commissions, the ClickBank edition. This also includes an information-packed 12 videos. ClickBank is a treasure trove of over 8,000 products which you can promote with video to make real profits. This course will definitely help you. But wait, we're not finished yet with even more bonuses. The next bonus is called Video Marketing Domination. It's a PDF e-book, 32 pages with fact-filled information such as how to get more traffic to your videos and 5 secrets to successful video marketing. This e-book alone is valued at $27. Are you excited about this offer yet? And finally, we come to the last bonus offered. It's called Video Marketing for Shy People. The cover says it all, doesn't it? This informative ebook tells about the importance of creating videos and different ways to overcome your shyness in front of a camera. Let's face it, most people are a little embarrassed to be in front of a camera while speaking. That is why this ebook can be so valuable to you. And there you have it, friends. With your purchase of 50 Videos report, you'll get all these bonuses, well worth over $200. Obviously, the bonuses are worth far more than the low price of the 50 Videos report. So why wait any longer? Get instant access to this report, and the bonuses mentioned here will be emailed to you. Do it now, and thanks for watching.